Hello kids, so today we are going to learn a new poem in our 13th block. Okay, so our journal is means whatever we are learning about the lesson is the name Watch Me Grow. So who is telling you that they are to watch while they are growing? Normally kids, small kids from the age, small age, so a boy, a kid after taking the birth, then he grows into a full man. Yes, even when we are born to our parents, we are very small, then we are growing and growing. So here also someone is asking us to watch me grow. Means they are growing and they are asking us to watch. So who is that? So this is a poem, a poetry which we are reading here. So in this we are going to, our aim is to identify the topic, means regarding what we are learning. Basing on that we are going to identify the topic and the rhyming words. We want to identify the rhyming words in the poem. Now open your textbook, page number 83, and just keep it in front of your book. Okay, so keep your book in front of you and listen to the poem Watch Me Grow. So here is the egg. So if you see the first sentence, here is the egg, small and round. So how will be the egg? The egg will be small and round. Can you see here the eggs? The eggs are very small and round in shape. On a leaf above the ground. Where are the eggs? Can you see? There is a tree here. On the tree, this is above the ground. This is the ground where the tree has grown. So this is a tree has grown above the ground. And can you see on the leaf? So they are there on the leaf, small eggs, they are very round. So what is an egg? Egg is something from which the birth happens. Means even the birds, insects, and also hen. Some insects and some birds they come from the egg. So egg is one thing from which the birth happens. Means birth is taken place of some animals or some things. Okay, so this is very small. So here is the egg, small and round. It is very small and it is round. It is describing about the egg, describing words the small and round. On a leaf, where are they? On a leaf they are there and above the ground. Here is the caterpillar. Do you know what is the caterpillar? If you see the third sentence, here is the caterpillar. Did you ever see a caterpillar? In Telugu we say as gongali purugu. Yes? Okay, the gongali purugu, whatever is that is called as caterpillar. So these eggs, they grow into the caterpillar. First eggs, then they grow into caterpillar. A small caterpillar comes out from these eggs. Okay, so watch it eat. See, what is it doing here? The eggs are there, the leaf is there full, but here what happened to the leaf? They are eating the leaf. Watch it eat. Lots of leaves. So watch it eat. Lots of leaves. So it is eating lots of leaves on the tree. Juicy and sweet. How are the leaves? The leaves are juicy and sweet. So the leaves, they are very juicy and sweet. So what they are doing? This caterpillar, the egg is turned into the caterpillar. First it is egg, then egg became the caterpillar. So this caterpillar, it is eating all the leaves on the tree which are juicy and sweet. So it is eating all the leaves which are juicy and sweet. Now coming to the fifth line, here is the cocoon. Do you know what is a cocoon? So this caterpillar, using the help of the leaves, it prepared everything with a cocoon. It turns itself around it. It makes a cocoon where it go inside that cocoon and it live inside it. So how is the cocoon? It is very small and thin. The cocoon will be very small and also very thin. The changing pupa sleeps within. So here this is called as pupa. It changes here. So it goes into this cocoon and it sleeps. It is sleeping and sleeping inside going the cocoon. It is sleeping. So here is the cocoon. So this is the cocoon, small and thin. So it is describing how the cocoon is there. It is very small and it is very thin. The changing pupa. So this changing pupa, this one goes inside that, then we call it as a pupa. It is changing. So while before it change into some other, it goes on sleeping. So it sleeps within that cocoon. So first it is an egg, then became a caterpillar. This caterpillar in a pupa stage, it goes into the cocoon and it sleeps inside that. Now, do you know what it becomes from caterpillar, pupa? Then it becomes a butterfly. Can you see a butterfly here? Really, butterflies are very colorful. Okay, so here is the butterfly from your eighth line. So just observe your eighth line in your textbook. Here is the butterfly. fluttering away. Fluttering means it is using, it moves its wings very. So can you see the wings? It is fluttering, means it moves its wings up and down like this. That is called as a fluttering. So fluttering away. So it is flying away just by moving its wings. Time to celebrate a happy birthday. Now whose birthday it is? The butterfly's birthday. So it is time to celebrate a happy birthday. So butterfly is celebrating its birthday. How? So it came from eggs. Yes? From first it is egg, then it became a caterpillar, then it slept for some time as pupa in the cocoon, then became a butterfly celebrating its birthday. Now what is the topic we learned today? Regarding what we have learned, basing on that you ought to write. Okay? Once again let us read it. Here is the egg, small and round, on a leaf above the ground. Here is the egg, small and round, on a leaf above the ground. Here is the caterpillar. So here is the caterpillar. Watch it eat. It is eating. You want to watch it. Here is the caterpillar. Watch it eat. Lots of leaves, juicy and sweet. Lots of leaves, juicy and sweet. Here is the cocoon. Here is the cocoon, small and thin. How is the cocoon? Small and thin. The changing pupa sleeps within. The changing pupa sleeps within. Here is the butterfly fluttering away. Here is the butterfly fluttering away. Time to celebrate a happy birthday. Time to celebrate a happy birthday. Now you want to read the poem and you want to set the audio. Okay. So there are also the words like egg. You know what is an egg? A caterpillar, cocoon, butterfly. So first egg will be there. From egg it turns into a caterpillar, then cocoon, then it becomes a butterfly. Now basing on this, let us write our volume page number 25. Now can you see the pictures? The first one is eggs. Can you see their eggs? It is pointed as 1. Now basing on that, all the other pictures you just put the order, writing 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now second one, you want to identify the topic. Just read the three sentences. What did we discuss today? Only about the eggs, or only about the caterpillar, or only about the butterfly? Whatever is there, read the sentence properly and try to understand the sentence and tick the correct sentence. The eggs of a butterfly are round. Only that topic did we read. A caterpillar eats juicy leaves. Only did we read that topic. An egg grows into a butterfly. So, or did we read this topic? Basing on the 3, you tick which is the correct one, which we read all, basing on all the things we read. Now find the rhyming words for these words in the poem. So there are the words like sweet. So what is the rhyming word for sweet in the poem? And what is the rhyming for birthday in the poem? You want to identify. So the ending words means the rhyming words. So check and identify the rhyming words. Now write words from the poem that rhyme with lime and tall. So there are 2 words given, lime and tall. For these 2 words from your poem, you want to find out the rhyming words and complete it in your volume, page number 25. Now complete it and send it through WhatsApp, children. Okay? Thank you.